Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm here at the allotment and I know I haven't given you guys an update on the garlic, but today I decided to let me just show you. These are the garlic, guys. They are doing quite well. These are the ones that I bought off the internet, and every one, or should I say almost every one of them, has sprouted. Look at that, guys. Look at the amount of garlic. It's amazing. And I did do some other ones that I did, some shop bought ones, and they have germinated as well. I'm going to show you them in a second, but look at that, guys. Look, it is doing fantastic. Some of them even grew out as twins like that. I'm really looking forward to see the result really at the bulbing stage, which is later on down in the spring. And I'm happy because look, they turned up. I've never planted garlic in this area. I've really put a lot of love and some compost and manure and all that little jazzy stuff in here. So I'm really looking forward to see if they actually turn out to be, what I'm expecting. But you never know. It's beautiful, no matter what. And I did stick some in here. I don't know why. I'd had them in my hand and I stuck them in there as well, and they've germinated and they're coming right through. I just decided to just plot, just put them in. I had them in my hands. I had nowhere else at the time to put them, so I just stuck them there. But I'm planning, by the grace of God, is to have right around the bed edges, to have a line of garlic, because at the moment in the UK we're not having that much frost. I know it's January, but frost is not here. But let me take you guys round where I have the other ones, which are the shop bought ones, and they are doing remarkably well. They came literally at the same time as the other ones. Let me show you guys. Look at that. There they are. That's some of them, and they've germinated as well. And they won't grow much because obviously this is a slow period for them. They will need that cold to get that bulb. But look at that. This is going to be an amazing thing. And there's another bed that I had. I didn't really have much in it the last time, but this time I decided to put garlic in it as well. Look at that, guys. Garlic is everywhere. I'm hoping to see a lot of garlic. And I'm even tempted in this lot here to put right around the edges of the beds to have garlic going around. I might do that maybe the early spring, so you can still have a season to germinate. And I might even put onions in between them, so you're gonna have your garlic and your onions on the edges of the garden bed and let it flourish, like companioning it all the way through. So when I'm harvesting my garlic, I have my other things in. And that's my compost box. More video from your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm just here just to kind of encourage everybody that look, it might be winter, but you can still go out and do something in your garden, and it's a blessing. So stay safe, stay amazing, and please don't forget to look after the planet, because we just have to.